the ingredients into parts that it shouldn't. Instead, you're going to get that handy dandy crafting pot back out, and just like before, you're going to fill it up with a little water and then place the container of wax inside again with the cap off. Now, the first time I did this, it felt really counterintuitive that I was going to place a plastic bottle inside of a pot of boiling water, but this bottle is meant to withstand these temperatures and it is not going to melt on you, just the wax inside. Again, this step is very much hurry up and wait. It's going to take quite some time to fully melt down, especially if this is a fully new bottle of wax. Just be patient and wait until it is fully melted so that everything is blended properly. Once your wax is fully melted, these next few steps are all going to happen very quickly at once. First, you're going to coat the inside of your globe with surfactant. Now, if you bought one of the pre-assembled kits, what you're going to want to be careful of is make sure that you are grabbing the surfactant specifically and not the magic surf. From here, I put 1 milliliter of surf and 1 milliliter of distilled water inside the globe. Now, this is not a martini, so swirl, do not shake the globe, and coat the entire inside of the globe with this mixture. Dump out any extra and then set the globe to the side. On the instructions included, there will be a sizing guide for how much wax you're going to allocate for each different size of lava lamp that you're filling. In this case, I'm doing a 20 ounce, 14.5 inch lamp, so we're going to allocate about 150 milliliters of wax. Personally, I like to pour just over the 150 milliliter line in this case because I know I'm going to lose a little bit of wax pouring between the two apparatuses, and I just like the look of a little bit fuller lamp. Once your wax is measured out into a heat-safe measuring cup, this is when you're going to dye the wax. In this case, I opted to use the teal dye, and I find that these wax dyes go a long way. So start with a little bit to start, and then you can always add more if you need it. Once you think that you're at the desired color, hold your wax up to the sunlight, and if it looks right when you're holding it up to the light, that will be the right color inside the lamp. Also, if you're having any issues with getting the wax dye to melt fully into the wax, you can always put it back on the stove.